Hello and welcome to a May 2020 SEO Content Machine Next Changelog video. As I go through all the recent changes to the program, if you go to the Read Changelog section, you can follow along. So I'm going through all the new changes that have been put in for the month of May. So starting at the very top, if you are a GSA SER template user, so let's just open the template in Edit Template, GSA SER. Right, okay. You notice that now a name has been placed for the project template. So this project template data used to just print out straight to the output folder. Now it's project data / and then the file, which would be the keyword which is used by default. So just a slight change, and this is just to make it a bit easier, so you know when you're loading content into GSA SER what are articles and what you can load in as a project. This is a bug fix for the article creator, and specifically for users that were customizing the save location. So if you used for example %task name, if you clicked on the preview or the open article folder, nothing would happen. But now if you click the open folder, it will actually open to the root folder up to here, downloads. Here is a new feature for the article creator. Inside the content insert, when you choose the insert subheadings, it's now possible for you to select whether you want to use subheadings downloaded from Google search results or subheadings that you provide yourself, or a combination of both. So if you click on Edit Custom Subheadings, here is where you can go in and type in the subheadings you want to appear in your article. There's also a generic subheadings creator that you can use. Now if you notice on the tab here, I've added the URL content filter as its own step. Previously it was placed under the custom content area. It made more sense obviously to move it out. So all your content filtering, all your URL filtering is done in this tab. For those of you who have very long keyword lists, for example, like that, when you run the task, what it'll do now is actually it's going to display how many keywords it has got in its list and how many it's already processed. Now one of the big new additions during the month of May was actually the profile creator, previously the About Me generator. It's been totally revamped. I won't go into too much depth here, as you can watch the tutorial that's available through this link at the top. Now if you are a article download user, I just want to point out that the Css Testing Area has been slightly moved around and changed. So you have the page element selection, which has always been there, but now you've got remove tags. Once a page is downloaded, it will go through every single tag that exists on that page, and then if that tag contains any text you don't want, such as click here, or maybe there's a link on the page which goes to About Me, it's going to remove that tag completely. And now the CSS selected text area has been moved directly underneath all the page selections, so you don't need to scroll down anymore. And previously this selected test area, this text box, what actually happens now is if you take any page, so let's take my home page, and you want to test the CSS selector, you notice it's been pre-filled with the first item in that box. So I click on test, just wait a couple of seconds, and this is the HTML that's been found, and obviously I can preview it to see what content's been discovered, and I'm going to demonstrate. So for example, I don't want this particular piece of text to appear, so I'm going to go here and paste it in, and I'm going to click test CSS once more. Now if I scroll down to the very end, you see indeed it is, that particular line is gone. Thanks for checking out this video. If you have any bugs or a feature request, feel free to get in touch with me, info@seocontentmachine.com.